Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use knife file, only way. Start by securing the knife in a vise or clamp and pick a comfortable angle, usually between 15 and 25 degrees. Hold the file with both hands and push away with steady pressure, maintaining the angle. Work from heel to tip with smooth, consistent strokes. Check the bevel often and switch sides evenly to maintain a symmetrical edge and reduce metal removal. Place your body so filing motion is natural and repeatable, with core engaged to steady your arms. Grip the file near the heel with your dominant hand and guide with your other hand at the tip for balance. Keep wrists straight and use forearm movement for consistent pressure across the bevel. Pause to clear metal filings and test the edge frequently to avoid overfiling and to keep the shape true. Quick recommendation: if you're working on blades for a while, stay hydrated and grab the Oala water bottle for easy sipping on the bench. It seals tight and fits most cup holders. I find it handy during long sharpening sessions, and it keeps me focused without spills, which is perfect when handling blades. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if this helped, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on even contact so each pass removes the same amount of metal along the bevel. Count strokes or use short-timed sets to keep both sides balanced and prevent one-sided wear. When you feel a burr, flip sides and remove it with lighter strokes. Progress to a finer file or strop to hone the edge and restore a razor finish while retaining your chosen bevel geometry for best cutting performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.